If you're struggling with push-ups, I'm going to show you this push-up progression series that's going to help. Start off, you can use a foam pad onto the ground or just use a yoga mat just so it's a little bit more comfortable in your knees. We're going to start off with a bench or an ottoman or whatever you have that's slightly elevated like this. We're going to lower the body down and then we're going to press back up. As you get a little bit better at that, you can get into the plank position, lower the body down, drop knees, push back up. Then to the point where we can lower the body down, adduct the elbows, bring them in, squeeze the chest, and you're pushing down and up. Or vice versa, as you're starting to get a little bit stronger, you can even do these onto the ground. Have the knees down onto the pad, for example. Knee push up, drop the body down, push back up. As you get better, get the negative down, embrace that negative, then knees, then drop and push to the point where we're down, elbows are out, coming back in, squeezing the chest. Try not to lock out so that we can keep concentration on the chest. Practice your push-ups using this system so you can get better at them.